Hi everyone, it's Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to this week's Trade of the Week. So let me show you what happened in the trade room. There were quite a few good trades this week. We had CPI was a winner, PPI was a winner, API was a winner, and US retail was a winner as well. So let me show you this week's Trade of the Week. US core CPI has been a winning trade more often than not. It has also been a family money trade. Keep in mind that all trades are for educational purposes. It is possible to lose money trading futures, so trade carefully. Well, this trade was 8:30 in the morning. It was a high volatility, high margin event. The brokers had raised margin. We were trading bonds, and we also have an oil setup, but I was trading bonds live. I had multiple contracts, and I was expecting a very good move in bonds. And we got the move I expected. Price exploded down, hit my target, and we made a quick $421 in a matter of just a couple of seconds. But something happened that caused me to make less money than I could have had. Sometimes in a trade, there's a feature in our software that if target 2 gets hit, it allows us to move our stop to break even plus a certain amount of ticks. And if you see here, that's what happened. The price shot down. It did not hit my third target and it pulled back. And then because it hit my second target, my stop was break even plus 4 or 5 ticks. So instead of giving me about a $700 profit, it filled me on the pullback and I made $421. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. It was an immediate, easy trade. It explodes down, hits 2 targets, $421 in a matter of seconds. That's the trade of the week. But it is interesting to note that various features and various ways that you manage your stop can control your profits. Also, just as a side note, oil also had a very nice setup, and people made quite a bit of money trading oil on this week's trade of the week. I traded bonds, ZN, and this week's trade of the week, US CPI, $421 in a matter of seconds. Very traditional trade of the week. Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10 Minute Trades, and I'll see you next week in the trade room.